yellow bird with yellow bill was sitting on my windowsill. It chirped a tune so wild and free as sunshine melted misery. That yellow bird, so wild and free, decided to come and sing to me. I lured him in with a piece of bread, and then I smashed his little head. Oh, yellow bird, close to my heart, your song's a world, a work of art. You bring the dawn, you chase the night, with every note you take to fly. Feathers bright and soul aglow, watch you flying to and fro, where days are warm and nights are kind. Every dream is redefined. In this tune a lesson learned, for future you to not get burned. If you want to get some head, you'll need to work and have good bread. Oh, yellow bird, close to my heart, your song's a world, a work of art. You bring the dawn, you chase the night, with every note you take flight. If you want to get some head, you'll need to work and have